Our 5-gallon bucket potatoes have been growing for right at 70 days now, and they're dying back pretty good. They could actually go about another week, maybe a week and a half, but we got some severe thunderstorms coming over the next couple of days, so we're going to go and get these harvested today. Just a generic timeline for these potatoes is anywhere from 75 to 90 days, but in our area in Northwest Florida, we've usually experienced them ready to harvest around the 65 to 70-day mark. So that's about where we're at now. So we're going to get these potatoes out, and we'll see what kind of yield we get from them. Stay tuned. If you've never grown potatoes before and you're not familiar with what they look like, now they're going to look the same, but these are in-ground potatoes, obviously. You see how green and healthy these plants look. So when they start looking like this, at the end of their life, when they're ready to harvest, they'll start turning yellow and they'll just start dying back. And that's what you want to see. It's probably about the only time in gardening you want to see a plant dying back. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what they look like when they're healthy and pretty much full grown. These probably have about another month. And then this is what they look like when they're ready to harvest. Well, let's see what we got here. I like the little ones. Yeah, these things really produce good this year. There's all our red Norland potatoes from 4 buckets. We'll weigh those in a little while and we'll see how many pounds we get. Just guessing, I think we've got about 6 or 7 pounds potatoes. Don't. Got one trying to jump out. That rotten one, seed potato. If you liked the video today, watch these 2 channels and it will show you how we planted these bucket potatoes and cared for them along the way. And if you enjoyed the content of our channel, we appreciate it if you would hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time we post a video, and like, share, and subscribe. Everyone have a blessed day.